Okay, so let's talk about what are exogenous ketones. Okay, so I'll tell you in a very simple manner. Okay, I'll not go too much into science and all. Okay, very simple explanation. So basically, exogenous ketones are certain pills or powders. Okay, that claim to help you go into ketosis, but actually, what's happening is that these are artificial ketones and you are getting into an artificial ketosis. So, what's the meaning of this is that your body is not actually making these ketones. Okay, the primary reason that we want to be in ketosis is to lose weight. Okay, so if our body is not making ketones on its own, so there's no use of those ketones. Okay, if we directly take it and put it inside our body, so we want our liver. Okay, our liver produces ketones. Okay, so it's much better if our liver produces ketones on its own. So what should we do is we should use MCT oil. Okay, because it helps our body, our liver to produce ketones inside us. Okay, so yeah, that's much better. How you can go into ketosis is you can take bulletproof coffee. Okay, we use 1 tablespoon of MCT oil in bulletproof coffee. If you don't know how we make bulletproof coffee, it's very easy. It's a blend of white butter, coffee, a little bit of stevia, obviously MCT oil, and yeah, and hot water. We need some water. Then we heat all of it. Okay, then we blend it with a blender. So this was a very fast way to tell what is bulletproof coffee. Okay, you can just search it on YouTube how to make bulletproof coffee, because this video was basically about what are exogenous ketones. So they are artificial ketones. Okay, not very useful if you are trying to lose weight, but if you are already in ketosis and you have a lot of knowledge about keto diet and you've already lost your weight, then these ketones, exogenous ketones, might help you in some exercises or high intensity training like aerobics or something. But if your main motive is to lose weight, then exogenous ketones won't do anything for you. So MCT oil is much better, and you should learn how to make bulletproof coffee. Okay, because we use MCT oil in it, and it will help you get into the real ketosis, which actually helps you burn fat. Okay, so this is it for this video. Very simple explanation. What are exogenous ketones? And yeah, that's it. If you're wondering what this is actually an Instagram post. I post this on Insta, and you can see on the top left it's written at the rate Keto Fitness Official. That's the name of the Insta page. So you can go and follow me on Insta. If you want to ask me something, you can just DM me directly, just message me. And also it's fine, you can just comment down. Okay, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in next video. Okay, bye.